Tell me what you got. Which card's what?
Tiger.
Okay.
Turtle.
Yeah.
Monkey.
Okay.
Bee.
Yes.
And giraffe.
What else you got? Just point to them. What's that?
Octopus.
Good. What's that?
Igloo.
Yes. What's that?
Shirt.
It's like jewelry that goes around your neck. What's that?
Jewelry.
A necklace.
This is the jewelry. Jewelry.
What else you got there?
Fish.
Yes.
Boom.
Boom.
It's the cake.
What's this one?
I don't see that. Oh, this is a big cat.
Hmm.